Hi all, it's me again with another answer to one of our questions in the survey. And today's question is, how do I develop useful instructions or instruction modules that can be added to courses designed by fellow faculty members? So I assume what this question is asking is, if I am teaching a course that is designed by someone else, how do I add to that course's instruction? And this is a really good question because a lot of adjunct faculty are faced with this all the time. For example, I teach for multiple institutions, and I'm fortunate enough to get to design the courses that I teach in most cases. However, in some cases, I'm teaching courses that are designed by other people. So how do I make those courses my own, and how do I add to that instruction? Well, the first thing you have to remember is always, the course goals and objectives always dictate instruction. So how I add to an existing course is simply by referring to the goals and objectives and seeing what I can do based on my own life experiences. And then I use the news and announcements forum, video like this, and the discussion forum to add my own flair and content. So for example, if we're talking about instructional design and I didn't create the course, and maybe we're talking about the design phase, and when we're discussing specifically course maps, and students are required to develop course maps, but I wasn't the one to design it, that doesn't mean I can't share some examples from my own experience in the course discussion forum or via the discussion or the news and announcement forum. So what I might do is send out announcements, say, hey, based on my experience, here's a scenario of how in the workplace I do this piece, or I design course maps, and here are a few examples. Also, the office hours are a great place to add to content. You invite students to your virtual office hour, and then you can have very specific things set aside to talk about. And if people don't come, you can record those and then send them the archives. So there's quite a ways to interject your own personality into somebody else's design. I hope those are a few good strategies that you can use. Until next time, I'll see you in the forums. Ciao.